This is what my skin looks like without any product, without anything on it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kelsey, and I am here to discuss with you the different cleansers that works best for different kinds of skin and different skin types. Like I always say to everyone I meet or everyone I know or everyone that cares to listen, knowing your skin type is important. Not knowing your skin type and embarking on a skincare journey is like using the wrong medication to treat the wrong illness, basically. So you need to know the right skin you live in for you to know the right products to use to care for your lovely skin. If that sounds good to you, give me a thumbs up and sit and let us discuss your skin, how you can look after your skin. I am going to particularly talk about the skin type on the face. This is what my skin looks like without any product, without anything on it. So what I'm going to do is to wet my skin and start. Knowing your skin type is paramount when you are into skincare. Yeah, because there is no skincare that is effective when you're using the wrong thing to treat the wrong problem. What I mean is, forgive me, my eyes are closed. What I mean is, for instance, if you have the common flu and you're trying to treat the common flu using blood pressure medications, of course, you're treating the wrong thing. So that is the reason knowing your skin type is important. Very, very important before you embark on skincare journey. You need to know your skin type. Now, there is something that is called the 60-second rule. I have gone in with my cleansing product and I'm going to wash for 60 seconds. The reason I'm washing for 60 seconds is to allow the product to sink into my skin. And when it sinks into my skin, it will be able to take in the ingredients that is being put in there to, help my skin to repair, to cleanse off all the debris and all the oil. I'll show a video somewhere here where I was trying to know, I think I did it in the past, it's not a recent video, trying to know my skin type. We have 3 major types of skin, and that will be the oily skin, the dry skin, and the normal skin. Some people add the combination skin and the sensitive skin. These are the 5 types of skin, but the 3 major are the ones I listed out initially. I've got loads of cleansers here that I've tried in the past when I was trying to decipher what works for me and what does not work. For knowing your skin type, all you need to do is to wash your face. Wash your face with something that is not drying. What I mean is, if you're a newbie, if you are new to skincare, you need to use a product that does not have fragrance in it. You need to use a product that does not have anything that dries out, like the salicylic acid dries up the skin, kojic acid dries out the skin. This will, let's say for instance, if you have an oily skin, this will mask your skin type and make you feel like you have a dry skin. And you get back to what I was saying initially, treating the wrong problem with the wrong product. If you don't know your skin type, everything about skincare to you who is not worried about knowing your skin type will be like putting money down the drain. It will be futile. You're not going to benefit anything from it. So knowing your skin type is paramount. When you wash your skin, some people say after 30 minutes, after 2 hours, and some school of thought says overnight. For me, I believe if it's an important step, there is no rush. I mean, what am I rushing for? Where am I rushing off to? What am I trying to achieve when I'm not going to take my time to know what is actually going on with my skin? I don't think I want to wait for 30 minutes. I don't want to wait for 2 hours. I just want to give it all night to know what is actually going on. So when I wash my face, don't put anything, don't use any drying thing, don't use any alcohol thing, don't use any fragrance thing. Just wash your skin with a simple soap or a simple cleanser that will not, dry up your skin. use it, wash your face and sleep overnight and see what happens in the morning. So what happens in the morning, we're going to talk about it. When I come back, I'm just going to wash off my face because I have a second, wash. I double cleanse. These are products that worked for me. Right, so I'll put it on my palm. Rub it. Of course, I'm going in again for the second time. I do this twice a day because of the kind of skin I have. Be gentle. I cannot overemphasize the importance of gentleness on the skin when you are cleansing your face. Be gentle. You need to be gentle and allow the product sink in for 60 seconds, at least 1 minute. Okay, so I'm not really taking products down to my neck because I've had my bath and I purposely left my face unwashed, untouched, because I want to demonstrate this video for you. So normally you should always take your products down to your neck. If not, your face will look different from your neck. All right, try to bring it down at least up to this point. Bring your products down up to this point at least. If you don't want to have two colors, if you do not want to have different colors on your face. For me, I allow my skin to air dry, or you use paper towels. Okay, so I mean, the kitchen paper towels, they are preferable. You just damp your skin and dry. Okay, for me, I am going to air dry my face. I don't use paper towels and I don't want to use normal bits. All of you using your normal bathing towels to wipe your face, refrain from doing that. That will not do you any good. Just stop using normal towel, the one you use for your body, to scrub your face, because towels anyway, some of them have rough ends that could irritate some people's face, not everyone's face. Secondly, when you are washing your face, remember to be mindful of the temperature of the water you are using. If you use water that is too cold, what it does is it closes your pores, and when your pores are closed, believe me, your skin may not be able to take in the ingredients as it should effectively. It will not, absorb the ingredients optimally. And if it is too hot, what it does is to strip your skin of oil, like the natural oil on your skin. It will just strip it away. And you know what that natural oil does? I may not go into that in details. So if you have an oily skin, there is something that you should be looking out for that will tell you, oh, I have an oily skin. When you wake up in the morning, you find out that every part of your face is now oily. So don't use me to judge. I have used a salicylic acid wash to wash my face, and it has salicylic acid. I'll go into that in details. And salicylic acid, I said, dries the face. So my face is really dry now. It has no single oil. No single oil. Like, is absolutely dry. You see what I mean? I'm bringing it closer so that you see what I mean. It's absolutely dry. When you're trying to do your skin test, try to use product that doesn't have anything drying, and try to regulate the temperature of the water that you are using. Oh my, even my lips are so dry. Right. So you've woken up in the morning, you saw oil all over your face. You definitely have oily skin. And you need to pattern your skincare products in a way that it will look after your oily skin. And the products you will use will not work for someone who has other types of skin. So for this particular kind of skin, this oily skin, the major active ingredient you need in your skincare cleanser is salicylic acid. I would recommend this salicylic acid wash from CeraVe. It has, it's called Blemish Control Cleanser. Like I said, what this salicylic acid does is it goes into the pore and it unclogs the pore. It removes the things that could clog your pore and make you to break out. Okay, so that is for the oily skin. There are other products too that could work for an oily skin. So the other cleansers I would recommend for an oily skin person to incorporate into his or her skincare routine would be the Inkilis 2% salicylic acid cleanser, or the Paula's Choice Pore Normalizing Cleanser. Basically, for skincare, the gold standard is for you to refrain from products that contain alcohol, products that contain perfume. These alcohol can be drying and perfume can irritate some people's skin. So we normally have to stay away from that. But of course, if your skin can tolerate that, that's okay. What you need to do is to listen to your skin and find out what works for you. But this is my recommendation, and the products that I have recommended, I'll put the link in the description box. If you've got a dry skin, when you wake up in the morning, what you find out in the morning is that your face feels tight. It feels really tight and like it's dry. When you touch it, you can't feel any sort of moisture at all on your skin. Like it's dry everywhere. You know how my skin was when I used the salicylic acid, that it dried up my face. So that has a dry skin, even without using a salicylic acid, you find out that your skin is normally like that. So you know that you have a dry skin, and all you need is to use products that has a lot of moisturizing agents in them that will keep your skin moisturized for as long as it can. Okay, and one of those products will be the ordinary squalene cleanser. Squalene is a good moisturizer. Is a good moisturizer. In addition to that, we can use the Aveeno Calm and Restore cleanser. That one, it has oat in it, and oat is a good moisturizer. Oats is very, very good. Like it moisturizes the dry skin. Another one could be the CeraVe moisturizing cleanser. I think I've got that one here. Oh no, I haven't got it. What I have is the foaming cleanser now. So CeraVe has a moisturizing cleanser that you can use if you've got a dry skin, and it will do very well in moisturizing the skin. I think there is another product from Cetaphil moisturizing cleanser. It is rich and creamy. So you can choose any of these and incorporate it into your skin care routine. So I have an oily skin, like I mentioned earlier, and these are all my cleansers. These are my cleansers. So this is the True Blemish one from Dr. V, and it is for oily skin, oily acne prone skin of color. She made it particularly for skin of color. And this is my foaming cleanser that I use. Different cleansers for different things. This is the blemish control, the one I told you earlier, and this is the oil cleanser, my go-to cleanser. And this is the Paula's Choice foaming cleanser. All of these are dear to me. The people who have combination skin, they have, when some parts of their skin, especially the T-zone, let's say this point and that point is oily, and every other side, like the side, feels normal, absolutely normal. Like it's not dry, it's just normal. So you know definitely that you have a combination skin, and you don't need to do too much to maintain a healthy skin, if you get what I mean. You just use normal moisturizing, not extremely moisturizing, but normal moisturizing cleansers. And I will be recommending the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser and the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser, Neutrogena Facial Cleanser. These three up here, I'll be recommending them for people who have combination skin. The sensitive skin, when you wake up in the morning, you find out that your skin, some parts could be reddish, like you have washed your skin and your skin did not accept the product. Some parts of your skin, you know, like is inflamed, like something have irritated the skin. The skin is so irritated that you can tell, oh, your skin needs gentle products. And if you do not go gentle on your skin, it can easily get irritated. So for such kind of skin, you need to always read the label on the product and do skin patch tests to make sure that you are not using the wrong product for your skin. And I'll be recommending some products now that works very well for a sensitive skin. So for a sensitive skin, you can use the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. It works really well. And you can, there is also another one, which is the Vanicream Gentle Cleanser. That particular one is really good. It's fragrance free, and believe me, it is gentle. You can also try the Avene Tolerance Extreme Cleanser. It is soothing and calming on the skin. Your skin will love it. Your skin will tell you thank you. If you have a sensitive skin and you want to try out these cleansers, they work really well. Just bear it in mind, in this video we are only reviewing cleansers. We haven't talked about moisturizers. The acne prone skin, how you cleanse the acne prone skin is similar to how you look after the oily skin. Not exactly, but quite similar. The difference is just very little. So when you have an acne prone skin, it means that anything that manages to clog your pores will cause the melanocyte to trigger, and it will make, you know, the acne rosacea bacteria to start thriving in that environment. So you're definitely going to wash your face twice if you have an acne prone skin with the Inkilis. I've mentioned it earlier. The Inkilis 2% salicylic acid, and you can also use the nearly the same product, the CeraVe Blemish Control Cleanser. There's this one that works really well. That is the Neutrogena Benzyl Peroxide Acne Treatment Gel. It works really well. And Paula's Choice, they have this 2% BHA liquid that contains salicylic acid that controls acne well. Try these cleansers and see how well it works for your skin. If you have an oily skin, you don't need thick moisturizers. If you use thick moisturizers, what it's going to do is to block your pores. So that is the reason I said we'll go into moisturizers in details in my next video. If you use anything thick on your face, it will block your pores. What happens is that your pores will not breathe. Let the pore breathe. The pores will not breathe and you will break out. You're going to have acne, and I know you do not want to have acne. So don't do because people are doing. Do what works for you. Listen to your skin and know what your skin is telling you. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.